let's just make it a trend that every time I come back on YouTube, my hair is a different color. Every time. Let's just do that. You like my nails? I did them myself. I think they're pretty darn cute. Blue was requested, so that's what I did. But anyways, I have been dealing with some shit. Okay? Excuse my language, but I've been dealing with some crap, okay? So, what do you do when you deal with crap? You cope. However you can. You find a coping mechanism, right? So we're gonna try something new today. I made an appointment literally today with a tattoo artist who did a small one for me last year on Friday the 13th, which just happened to be the day that the world went to crap. But made an appointment with her today to get some tattoos done. I'm getting 4 in total, so we'll see how that goes. I'm excited. I'm very excited. I don't know if I'll be filming while I'm in there or not, because I'll probably have a mask on, but whatever. So yeah, let's go. welcome back. I don't know if you can tell from the vlog footage, but I did get 4 tattoos about 2 weeks ago from Honey. Shout out to Honey. I have had one smaller tattoo from her before in the past, and it was like a Friday the 13th tattoo. All the tattoo artists that have done work on my body will be linked down below if I can remember who they are. Some of them were just random tattoo artists, and I don't even know if I knew their name at the time of them tattooing me, but the ones that I do know, I will leave down below in the description box. Okay, so I kind of want to start off the tattoo tour talking about like the ones that I got first and kind of work my way to most recent. So here we go. In total, I have 10 tattoos now. So the first tattoo that I got was actually in honor of my mom. I love her so much. If y'all follow me on any social media platforms, y'all know I love her. Her name's Tuesday. She's the best. Love her to death. So why not get my very first tattoo in honor of her? So she actually went with me. I got it a few days before my 19th birthday because I was like, wait a second, I cannot be 19 and not have a tattoo, you know what I mean? Yeah, my first tattoo says "You are my sunshine" in honor of my mom. She calls me her sunshine, and that's why I got it. The pain level was pretty high, I'm not gonna lie, because I don't know if the tattoo artist was just like heavy-handed, or if I was just a punk, or if it was because it was my first tattoo, or the placement, I don't know, but it hurt, it bled. I'm surprised I got any tattoos after that. So I would give that one a pain rating of like, I don't know, like a 7 or 8 out of 10, because like it hurt. I also did not know what a tattoo was gonna feel like, and that's definitely not what I was expecting. This tattoo I think was either $50 or $60. I can't quite remember. It was whatever the shop minimum was that the artist was at. It was pretty good. He even threw in a little bit of color. Overall, I love this tattoo. I forget it's there most of the time, but it was my first tattoo, and I felt so cool and so proud. Okay, so the next tattoo that I got was when I was 19, so I was still a freshman in college. So yeah, my second tattoo is like kind of on my rib cage, stomach area, I don't know, is a lion, and basically what it represents to me is God, Jesus. I don't know if y'all have watched or read Narnia, but the lion symbolizes God, so that is why I got it. I don't remember the artist's name at all that this one came from. I may be able to figure out what the shop's name was. It was in Chapel Hill, right off of campus. That's why I went, because it was real convenient. Didn't have a car, like you gotta do what you gotta do type of thing. Also pretty painful, but I'm pretty sure it was because the artist was a little heavy-handed. This is my most raised tattoo, if that makes sense. Like the actual like scar tissue is raised and thick, so I feel like the artist was just like on the heavier handed side, so that's why it hurt more. But yeah, funny story about this tattoo, even though it's not like, it doesn't look like super special to anybody else in particular, I was on spring break like a few years after I got this tattoo in Miami on the beach. And y'all, tell me why when I was on the beach with my friends, I saw a girl with the exact same tattoo in the exact same place. I was like, do y'all see this? Like, I was mad. Especially because I knew that this tattoo was not a tattoo before I got it. Really got the same tattoo in the exact same spot. And you know what's crazier? Literally, as I was still sitting on the beach, like mad about this, I scroll on my Instagram timeline and I see a picture of her, because I just happened to follow one of her friends, and the friend had posted like a group photo of them on the beach, like right then and there. And I was like, y'all, this is the girl. So I went to her page. This is gonna sound a little creepy, but I went to her page just to make sure that I had the tattoo first. And sure enough, I did have the tattoo first. And I'm just a little shook to this day, because I feel like, girl, you stole the tattoo and the placement. Like, come on now. Let me stop being petty. Tattoo is also kind of painful, so I would give that one like an 8 out of 10. That one, I don't remember exactly how much it was, maybe around $200. All right, and then tattoo number 3 was done in Greensboro at I would say like a pretty popular tattoo shop. Anyways, I got a mandala flower on my thigh, and this tattoo didn't have like a lot of meaning to me. I just thought the design concept was cute. Like, mandalas are really pretty. This one I would say only really hurt when she got like closer to like my upper inner thigh area. I think this tattoo was also $200. And it's funny because like literally years later, I was at the beach again, a different beach, but I was looking at my tattoo and I was like, it's missing something. And sure enough, like some of the little like line details that were like elsewhere on the flower, like in a pattern, sure enough was missing from a little section on my flower. And I was just like, well, It is what it is. Anyway, so that tattoo overall was not that painful. I would say like a 4 maybe, but the very small areas where she was getting closer to my inner upper thigh, I would say that's probably like a 6. Okay, moving on. My next tattoo is honestly one of my favorites. It is in honor of my little brother, Trevor. Once again, if you follow me anywhere else, you know that I'm obsessed with my little brother. He's literally my mini-me. I love him so much. I got the time he was born on my ankle, and I even came up with the concept of having like a little half mandala above it. I wanted the time to look like it was the actual time, like on a clock. So I love it. I think it's so cute. Another kind of funny background story about this tattoo is that the time is actually wrong, but at no fault to me or the artist. Well, kind of me. But basically, when my brother was born, we knew that the nurse did not write down the right time because she just wasn't paying attention when my brother was being born. So she wrote down her best guess, and that's what we go by. So yeah, who knows what time he was actually born, but this is the time that I have on my ankle for him. Love him to death. And this one was also done in Chapel Hill, but at a different tattoo studio. I don't remember who did it at all. The pain was kind of painful, but it really didn't take that long. I think it was like around 150, which I feel might be on the little expensive side for like the size of the tattoo. But once again, I was really close to campus. Like their prices are going to be more anyways because of the proximity to the university. Like I didn't mind. The pain I would definitely say was a little bit higher, maybe like a 6 or a 7 out of 10. I've heard like the front of the ankle / shin area is a painful place to get tattooed. I didn't think it was too bad. People say it's the worst. I don't think it was the worst. All right, and then my 5th tattoo, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Okay, so my 5th tattoo is actually this one right here. It's in red ink and it says Hosanna. Hosanna basically to me means I am saved, or he has saved me, and it's another reference to God. Actually, I want all the tattoos on my left side of the body to be in some type of relation to God, and all the tattoos on my right side of my body will be for everything else. And this one, I swear y'all, did not hurt at all. If you want a tattoo, especially maybe like a first tattoo, get it here. It did not hurt at all. And the tattoo artist who did this, love her work like so much. Like I want her to do some really big pieces on my leg sleeve when I get around to it. But yeah, she was awesome. This one I think was like 60 maybe for like just the shot minimum, which is fine. The pain, like I said, 0 out of 10. Like for real, get a tattoo in this area if you want one, because it did not hurt at all. My 6th tattoo was my Friday the 13th tattoo. I had always wanted a Friday the 13th tattoo because I think it's just fun, you know what I mean? And a lot of shops near me, I feel like don't do them. I saw a friend post a picture of the shop doing Friday the 13th tattoos. I was like, oh, gotta go. So I literally on a whim went and drove to the shop, picked out the little tattoo, and the wait was so crazy long, but that's okay. It was a fun experience just to get up and get a spontaneous tattoo, and it's actually pretty cute. It's like a little flower sprig. I think it's adorable and just so dainty. Yeah, Honey did that tattoo as well, and she does really good like thin line work, so it turned out very well. I think I was actually like second to last person to get tattooed that night, like before they closed. I for the life of me cannot remember how much her Friday the 13th tattoos were. Maybe $30. Maybe. I can't remember. That one I feel like was a little painful, not like super bad. So I would say that tattoo was probably like around a 4 out of 10. Okay, so fast forwarding back to present day when I got my 4 tattoos like 2 weeks ago, also by Honey. They were kind of on a whim. Like I have a long running list on my phone of tattoos I want to get, so like not really on a whim, like kind of planned out. The first one that I got is on my arm, which I never ever thought I'd be a person to get an arm tattoo. So it just says Wayward, and me personally, you know that I love Supernatural. I'm actually rewatching the series as we speak. So Wayward is just like a little nod to Supernatural. And for the longest, I couldn't decide if I wanted to get Wayward or Carry On for like a nod to the show, but I was like, well, Wayward is like a little bit more specific, and it's like if you know type of thing, but Carry On could just mean like literally just carry on. So I love that tattoo. It just makes me happy. Pain for that one, I feel like wasn't too bad. I would say maybe like a 5 out of 10. Then moving on, we kind of just like went down my body when it came to the 4 tattoos. Moving on, the next one that we did was, I'm not even gonna try to say it, but it means dazzling in French. Google, how do you say dazzling in French? Éblouissant. Something like that. If you know French, please don't come for me. That was one that was more like spontaneous, I guess, when I thought of the concept. I was I just knew that I wanted something in French because I think that's a very beautiful language. And I was like, well, I literally Googled what are the prettiest words in French, and one of them was dazzling. Like, I'm dazzling, so what the heck? And so we added a few little razzle dazzles around it, just like spontaneously. And yeah, I think it's real cute. When it was closer to the inner thigh, I would give it like a maybe 6 or 7 out of 10. Like, it was pretty like but then it got better as she got like closer to the outer thigh area. And then moving on down my body, the next one that we did was the Romans 8:31 right above my knee. And basically that verse has always been like my favorite verse growing up, because there was a song like that went like, and if God is for us, who can stand against us? And I find that to be so true. So that's basically what the verse is. That's why I got it on my left side, because once again, has to do with God and my faith. I don't remember this one hurting all that badly, so I'll say like maybe like a 3 or 4 out of 10. I don't really remember and then the last one that I did that night was anointed, also on my left leg, and this time above the ankle. I think ankle tattoos are just like 10 out of 10, so cute. I did get anointed in red because the red tattoos are really pretty to me, which is funny because I hate the color red like in real life, but it's okay. Anyways, anointed, kind of a nod back to my faith, and I wanted it on my ankle because it's like my feet are being anointed type of thing. So was not bad at all. So the people who say like the ankle is the worst, don't believe them, don't believe the hype. I would say that one was like a 3 or 4 out of 10. Like, it was not bad at all. Those are all about my tattoos. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will obviously be making another one when I do my leg sleeve, but who knows when I will do that. My personality type, I hate making appointments. Like, hate them. Hate appointments at the dentist, at the doctor, at the tattoo artist. It doesn't matter. I hate making appointments. See when I get my leg sleeve, but it will happen one day. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, definitely comment them down below. If you have any tattoos, let me know down below. I kind of want to know how many tattoos y'all have, because I feel like me saying I have 10 it makes it sound like I have a lot. So, but it doesn't really look like a lot on my body. You know what I mean? So definitely let me know how many you have down below, and let me know what your favorite one is. I'll see y'all next time. Deuces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.